Go back to Homestyler. You're going to click on File, Open. You're going to click on your design. I'm going to go to my game room design. You should have the one that you worked on this past Monday. So here we go. This is how I ended my design. You may not be done yet, but if you are, I want you to build out the rest of your house. We have a door here. We have our game room. So what else does our house need? Let's see. I've clicked on my draw room box here, and I'm going to start drawing out from that edge to that edge. I'm going to put in, let's see, what can I put in here? Well, first off, I need a kitchen. So I'm going to make this my kitchen. I'm going to put a, let's say, like a bedroom over here. Oh. And honestly, I'll make sure you get it right on the edge here, right there. See how it's not necessarily clicking well? It's kind of getting on the wrong spot. There we go. I got it a little better there. I'm going to make my, let's see, this will be my living room here. And then I'm going to put a bedroom on the side over here. So you can put it however you want. I'm just putting out a couple rooms, and then I'm going to put a small little restroom over here. Yeah, so I'm going to make it a little wider. So I've added 1, 2, 3, 4 different rooms. I'm going to go ahead and press the escape button on the top left of my keypad. And notice how this is no longer clicked. Now I'm going to name these. So if I click on this, if I go to the right, I'm going to click on, what do we say this was? This was going to be, I'm going to say this is going to be my kitchen. I put dining room. I'm going to make this my kitchen. Where is that? If I scroll down, I don't see, oh, there it is. I'm missing it. All right, I'm going to click on this room. I'm going to go to the right, and I'm going to click on, this was going to be my living room. I'm going to click on this room, and then I'm going to click on this, and then this is going to be my master bedroom. And then if I click on this, and I can always make this a little wider. This kind of looks a little short, so I'm going to make it a little wider. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on the right, and I'm going to make this my, where's my bathroom? So I have 4 extra rooms. I got to add some doors in here. So I'm going to add a door to the living room. I'm going to add a door between the kitchen. Actually, let's do this first. So 1 on the living room. I have 1 going into the game room. 1 into the, I thought this said master bathroom. It says master bathroom, y'all. I'm going to actually change this to the bedroom. The main bedroom. So just, sorry about that. I meant bedroom there. So I added a door here. I added a door there. I'm going to add a door so I can get from the bedroom to the bathroom. And then so I can get from the kitchen to the bathroom. Since people are going to be in the kitchen, they're going to use this bathroom. One last thing. I want you to click on door opening. And we're going to click on door opening between kitchen and living room. So notice there's this big opening. I'm going to make this and increase this a little bit by clicking on those circles and spreading them out. And check out how in my view here, I'm going to go into my view. Notice how there's an opening here, and I just made it super wide. So y'all just designed the game room before. Now you're going to go ahead and add those rooms. And look at that. Looks pretty good. So I'm not going to show you the rest of this. We're going to, just like you did last time, you're going to go ahead, here, I'll switch views here by clicking this button. We're going to go back to Model Library. We're going to go to Catalog. And now you're going to fill in the rest of your house. So you have a kitchen here, you have a living room, you have a bedroom. So I'm going to go to Catalog, and let's say I go to, why isn't that popping up? There we go. Okay, so I have living room stuff. I'm going to actually start in the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. So you can click on the kitchen set. There's all these sorts of things. So I really like the way this looks. It has a sink. Actually, yeah, I like this one. It has a sink. It has an island. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to add it into my kitchen. So I'm going to add it in one corner. I could probably make this a little bigger. Notice how my kitchen got added in over here. So you're gonna go in and add more things, right? Not just your game room now. You're gonna continue, if you're done, right? If you're done, you're gonna continue and add way more of our house. How do you want the rest of your house to look like? So look at my kitchen appliances there. Looks pretty cool. Check that out. Looks nice. All right, y'all. If you have questions, raise your hand. I will come by and help y'all out.